continues the probe on the Parliament breach, security breach. The accused Lalit Jha has got a 7-day police remand. That's the bit of news which is coming in. Stringent sections of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and various other provisions of the Indian Penal Code have been slapped against all the accused who are in custody, who have been arrested by the police on these serious charges. Ample evidence exists on record against all of these accused. We told you earlier how the authorities are trying to determine a wider angle to this entire probe, if some kinds of a larger conspiracy was at play. My colleague Ananya Bhatnagar with us on the broadcast. Ananya, give us more details, please.
Well, definitely, 7 days of police custody remand of Lalit Jha has been granted by Delhi's Patiala House Court. Remember, this is a special judge, Dr. Hardeep Kaur, who was dealing with this particular matter. And today, the Delhi Police Special Cell informed that Lalit Jha is the main conspirator in this whole Parliament breach
conspiracy. In fact, it was also said that he had destroyed certain mobile phones and had thrown them away, outside of Delhi, is what the Delhi police told the court. They said they want to recover these mobile phones and want to take him to various places. And 15 days of police custody remand was actually sought by the Delhi Police's Special Cell. Remember, he also is booked under the charges of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. And in fact, what is very, very clear to note at this point of time is that, very clearly the court granted 7 days of PC remand to all of these, to Lalit Jha of the Special Cell. If you can see the visuals right behind me, the Special Cell is taking Lalit Jha from, in fact, and I'll ask my camera person Vikas Rawat to show you the visuals where these accused persons are being taken from the Delhi's Patiala House Court back to the Delhi Police's Special Cell. And you can see this is the car wherein Lalit Jha is being taken away to the NFC police station, where all of these accused persons are staying here. This was the car that had been, from which he was brought and has been taken away after a 7 days of police custody remand of Lalit Jha was granted by the Delhi's Patiala House Court to, in fact, the Delhi Police's Special Cell. Now, 7 days of custodial interrogation will take place. The Delhi Police would like to unearth the whole conspiracy and so what was the main motive behind this whole Parliament breach, security breach scam.
Ananya, just take us back in time. The key charges against all the accused. UAPA has been slapped.
Well, yes, sir. UAPA has been slapped. 16 and 18, which is with regards to, terrorist act has been invoked against all of these accused persons. Apart from that, various charges like house trespassing and others have also been invoked against these accused persons. So definitely, Anusha, this is a case which the government and the Delhi police is treating with utmost sensitivity, because it is an attack. It was an attack. It was a security breach on the most important building of a democracy, that is the Parliament of India, where those who represent the people of the country, those who represent the people actually sit and, deliberate upon the national issues. And that's exactly why these stringent charges have been slapped against all of these accused persons, because this is a major security breach that had happened and the Delhi police is leaving no stone unturned. If we see the investigation of the Delhi police in hours, 4 of these accused persons were held, and in fact Lalit Jha and other accused were also nabbed in just moments by the Delhi police of swinging into action. Multi-agency probe, Intelligence Bureau, the Delhi Police's Special Cell and the normal Delhi Police also being roped in this particular investigation. Anusha.
Ananya, could you also put into perspective for us that what were the arguments that were made in the court so far? And I understand that whenever there's a special judge who's trying an accused who's been charged under the UAPA, the hearing can be in camera. It's sometimes not open to public at large. But do you have a sense of the key arguments that were made?
Well, definitely it was an open hearing and, everybody was inside the court. In fact, it was a jam-packed courtroom when it comes to Dr. Hardeep's court today. And the basic argument that the Delhi police had against, Lalit Jha was that he was the main conspirator of this whole Parliament breach scandal. In fact, what is also very important to note is that the Delhi police say that he had tried to destroy and tamper with the evidence. He had thrown away various phones, and these phones are very, very important is what the Delhi police has said. They also wanted 15 days of police custody remand so that they can take him to various places just like the other accused, like to Mumbai, Lucknow, Mysore and various other places, and where these meetings were actually held and what was the clear motive is something that the Delhi police has to unearth, and that's exactly why 15 days of police custody remand was sought. 7 days was granted by the court. Detailed order copy is yet to be out, but definitely this is something that is a big trouble mounting for these accused persons, since the UAPA makes it a very, very difficult task to secure any kind of a relief. Anusha.
Thank you so much, Ananya, for putting all of that into perspective. We'll keep coming back to you and get more details on this entire story.